Trends come and go, but there are 5 cabinet door colors that have some serious staying power. Before deciding on that one color that you may like today and not tomorrow, take a gander at these top 5 door colors and see why they're taking the kitchen design industry by storm. Number 5. Cherry is a rich and versatile shade. If you're going for a kitchen that exudes luxury and sophistication, then this style is perfect to add that old world charm. Coming in at number 4, gray has become a very trendy color. If you're a fan of contemporary, gray is your new best friend. Gray looks best in Shaker style, and its contemporary vibe easily transforms into a modern motif. Looking for a color to immediately upscale your kitchen design? Choose number 3, dark brown. Think rich, chocolatey, mocha, espresso hues. This color creates a sophisticated motif and adds delicious drama to the design. Our number 2 color is homey and warm and suits any kitchen style. Think creamy maple or hazelnut and subtle grain patterns. These medium wood tones have replaced oak, offering a simpler look ideal for the traditional style tone. And number 1, white takes our top spot. Whether it's winter, antique, or frosty, white is our top kitchen door color. Why wouldn't it be number 1? It pairs perfectly with any door style or kitchen motif and is the easiest way to brighten things up in the kitchen. There you have it, our top 5 door colors. If you're ready for that dream kitchen, marry any one of these with a sleek new door style, and you've just transformed your kitchen like magic. For more great kitchen ideas, click the link in the description below.